Kunal Shah joins in with his perspective on the markets. Kunal, good to have you on the show. I think in a bit we'll also be joined by Sandeep Sabharwal. But very quickly, on HDFC Bank, what do you make of this mega QIP getting its clearance finally?
Yeah, so this was very much anticipated, as it has been in the news in terms of they planning to raise 24,000 crores, and the approval has also now come in from the cabinet. So when you look at it in terms of our earnings and the financials, we have been building in this kind of an equity raise in this fiscal, and post that the stock is trading at almost 3.2x multiple for 17% plus ROE despite this kind of dilution. So we have it as our top pick within the financial services space, given the business momentum which they are continuing to deliver every quarter.
Hi Kunal, this is Siddharth here. Now with this fundraising of 24,000 crores and that is coming via FDI and not FI, 74% limit, which is the maximum foreign institutions can have, that get exhausted from current 72.5 approximately. Also, from July onwards, window of FIs trading with FIs in HDFC Bank shares, that closed. What would be impact of this on liquidity of HDFC Bank, and do you think that would ensure that HDFC Bank shares command more premium?
No, so see, finally, when you look at it, this would be more a technical aspect rather than the fundamental. But when we look at it, maybe in terms of larger part of it going to FDI, and if we see the reaction even in the broader markets yesterday in US, so the premium which EDR used to have vis-a-vis the domestic HDFC Bank or maybe Indian market HDFC Bank, that would narrow down. So as you clearly highlighted, whether the premium of HDFC Bank per se could go down, could go up, then that would be the case. Yeah.
Okay, but how do you look at what this does for the potential upside in the stock price from here? I know you're keeping a strong buy on HDFC Bank, but how much of an upside does it offer for the stock price?
No, so as I highlighted, it's been one of our top picks as well, and since the stock is also trading at almost 3.2x multiple, we have target price of 2,454 on the name. So when you look at where it is trading today, it still offers quite a decent upside.
Okay, Kunal, thanks very much for joining us. This is a big one, something that will keep HDFC Bank in focus. And if we've already not seen the stock deliver to investors, there's perhaps more upside in the offering, is what Kunal Shah has to say. Take a break then. When we come back, prepare you for the session this morning.